Welcome back to another video, and today I am down at Bonny Street Market here in Blackpool. I just thought we'd take a quick look at the demolition work going on. It is the 2nd of December, it's a Friday afternoon, so yeah, I just thought we'd have a quick nosy. I must admit it is really a rather sad sight to see. From the hustle and bustle of the market and of the visitors coming over. It's so sad to see it like this. I know progress has to be made, and I know the development that is going on here is going to be absolutely fantastic, even though it's going to take years to put together. But it's so sad at the same time. Also, after speaking to a couple of workmen on the developments around here, there is no reason whatsoever that Bonny Street Market could not have done one more season in 2023. This is 100% truly down to Blackpool Council, who want the land to create a temporary car park whilst the other developments are going ahead. At this point I'm going to leave you with a few photos to look at. And it's just, sad to see this market, which has been stood here for 37 years, serving the public, be pushed into the realms of history. I know progress has to be made, but it's still a sad day. Thanks for watching.